everyone! Welcome to Happy Math Learning! In this video, I will share how to graph quadratic function in two different methods. Guys, huwag po kayo mahiya na pindutin ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para maging updated para sa mga susunod pa nating mga video. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na! Bago ang lahat, narito ang tamang sagot sa ating activity sa nakaraang lesson. To better understand the graph of quadratic function, let us study the following. The graph of quadratic function y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is called parabola. You have noticed that the parabola opens upward or downward. It has a turning point called vertex, which is either the lowest point or the highest point of the graph. If the value of a is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward and has a minimum point. If a is less than 0, the parabola opens downward and has a maximum point. There is a line called the axis of symmetry, which divides the graph into two parts, such that one half of the graph is reflection of the other half. If the quadratic function is expressed in the form of y equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k, the vertex is the point h and k. The line x equals h is the axis of symmetry and k is the minimum or maximum value of the function. The domain of a quadratic function is the set of all real numbers. The range depends on whether the parabola opens upward or downward. If it opens upward, the range is the set y such that y is greater than or equal to k. If it opens downward, then the range is the set of y such that y is less than or equal to k. Method 1 in graphing quadratic function. For example, number 1. Sketch the graph of quadratic function and identify the domain, range, opening of the parabola, vertex, axis of symmetry, x and y intercept. The given is y equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 3 squared plus 1. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang ating given ay nakasulat sa standard or vertex form, which is mas madali natin makuha ang vertex. Para makuha ang vertex, kunin natin ang value ng h and k. Ang pinakamadaling paraan para makuha natin ang value ng h and k, tingnan natin ang value ng h. Dito, ang h natin ay negative 3. Kapag negative 3, gagawin lang natin positive 3. Kapag naman positive 3, gagawin natin negative 3. Babaguhin lang natin ang sign pero same pa rin yung number. At kapag value naman ng k, as is lamang. Kung ito ay positive 1 pa rin ang ating ilalagay. Kaya dito, ang ating vertex ay positive 3 and positive 1. Tandaan, sa pagplot ng point sa Cartesian plane, kailangan alamin natin muna ang kung ilang unit meron sa x-axis bago ang unit sa y-axis. Dito, meron tayong positive 3 units, kaya from 0, going to the right, we have positive 3. At ang ating y naman ay from 0, that is positive, upward naman. Kaya meron tayong, ito ang ating vertex, positive 3 and positive 1. Sa method na ito, kukunin muna natin ang vertex at magsiset tayo ng value ng x para makuha ang value ng y. At saka natin i-graph. Pag na-graph na natin, saka natin sasagutan o i-identify ang domain, range, opening of the parabola, vertex, axis of symmetry, and y-intercept. Sa pag-graph ng quadratic function, maaari tayong makapag-graph gamit lamang ang 3 points or 5 points, basta kasama na sa point na ito ang vertex. If the value of x is 1, what is the value of y? To get the value of y, substitute the value of x, which is 1, to the original equation. Here we get y equals 2 times the quantity of 1 minus 3 squared plus 1. Simplify, bring down y equals 2 times the quantity of negative 2 squared plus 1. Bring down y equals 2, negative 2 squared equals positive 4. Bring down positive 1. Bring down y equals 2 times 4 equals 8. Bring down positive 1. Then, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Therefore, the value of y is positive 9. Para makuha pa ipapang value ng y, sundin lamang ang same step. Ngayon, nakompleto na natin ang 5 points. Maaari na natin itong i-plot sa Cartesian plane. The domain is the set of all real numbers, while the range, nakatipende ito kung greater than or less than ang value ng a. Kapag ang a is greater than or opens upward, then the range is y such that y greater than or equal to k. Therefore, the range here is y such that y is greater than or equal to 1. Tandaan, maaari din natin makuha ang value ng domain and range kahit hindi pa natin na i-graph. Titingnan lang natin ang given kung ang value ba ng A ay positive o negative. Kapag ang value ng A ay positive, ibig sabihin ang opening ng graph ay opens upward. Kapag opens upward, ang range natin ay y such that y is greater than or equal to k. Papalitan lang natin ang value ng k kung ano ang nakakalagay sa given. At kapag naman negative ang A, ibig sabihin ang opening ng parabola ay opens downward. At ang ating magiging range ay y such that y is less than or equal to k. Ganyan din naman ang opening of parabola. In this given, dahil ito ay positive, ibig sabihin ang opening of the parabola ay opens upward. And the vertex is the turning point of the parabola, and that is, here, vertex is positive 3 and 1. Now, the axis of symmetry is the line that divides the parabola into two equal parts. And this is x is equals to positive 3. Next, kunin naman natin ang x-intercept and y-intercept. The x-intercept indicates where the parabola graph of that function crosses the x-axis, while the y-intercept indicates where the parabola crosses the y-axis. There is only one y-intercept for each quadratic equation. Sa pagkuha ng x-intercept, mas mainam na alamin muna natin kung ano ang value ng discriminant, sapagkat ang isang quadratic function ay maaaring may dalawang x-intercept, isa o walang x-intercept. We need to write the given in general form para makuha natin ang value ng A, B, and C at may substitute natin sa discriminant formula. Here, the discriminant is negative 8. Negative 8 is less than 0. If the discriminant is less than 0, then there is no x-intercept. Kaya dito, ang ating ilalagay sa x-intercept ay equals sa 0. Next, kunin naman natin ang y-intercept. Tandaan na meron lamang isang y-intercept ang isang quadratic function. Para makuha natin ang y-intercept, lahat ng x ay palitan natin ng 0. Substitute 0 to variable x. Here, we get 19, positive 19. Kaya ang ating y-intercept ay 19. Maraming paraan para malaman natin kung anong domain, range, opening of parabola, vertex, axis of symmetry, x-intercept, and y-intercept gamit ang graph, table, and the equation or the quadratic function. Kailangan lang natin maging mapanuri. That's all for this video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for next topic. Thank you for watching!